Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress.
Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Stepwise Progress. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're happy you're here. Today we're talking about daily challenges.
So, Jack, how are you today?
I'm good, but my morning was interesting. We had no milk, so I drank black coffee. It was very strong.
Oh no, you don't like black coffee?
I know, but toast with jam saved my morning.
What about your morning?
My bus was late. I waited 10 minutes in the cold.
Everyone has daily challenges. What's your big one?
Cooking dinner. My kitchen becomes messy fast. I don't prepare ingredients first, so the onions burn while I look for tomatoes.
You need mise en place. Prepare everything first.
Yes, preparation is my solution.
My challenge is time management. I make long lists and think I can do everything in one day.
That's too much.
I know. I need to prioritize, decide what must happen today.
That makes sense.
What about work challenges?
New software updates?
Home challenges?
Housework never ends. Dust comes back in minutes.
Teamwork helps. Clean a little every day.
Yes, clean as you go works.
Exercise challenges?
My mind wants to be healthy, but my body loves the sofa.
Language challenges are common.
Yes, sometimes I forget simple words.
Thanks for watching.